We are going to discuss the most important concept in the trigonometric function is solving the trigonometric equation. So question will be asked like that: solve the trigonometric equation. Let us give me one equation. If this is there, you are aware of the answer. If you are getting this question in class 10th, you are writing like this. Is it okay? No, you are writing 0 degree. Similarly, cos of x is equal to 0 if it is asking, then you are writing it will be equal to 90 degree. Do you remember? In case tan of x is asked is equal to 1, then you are writing x is equal to 45 degree. Today also you will get this type of questions, but the answers will be apart from this. It will be more exploration of that. Let us take me this expression. If sine of x is equal to 0, this is a question given to you, then you are well familiar with the graph of sine. Do you know? This is one of the answer which you are given in the class 10th. I think here also sine 0. So what is this value? Pi. Here also sine 0. It will be 2 pi. Over here also it will be 3 pi. So how many answers are there? There are infinite answers. So for this question, now x is equal to n pi, where n is equal to integer. Why integer? Because there is a possibility that you will get the answer over here, it is minus pi also. So this many solutions are there. So this is one of the standard remark. Similarly, cos of x is equal to 0. If you are getting this question and you wish to answer, you remember the graph of this, where it will be 0. The first time it is 0, over here it is pi by 2. Can you tell me what is this value? Correct. It will be 3 pi by 2. Over here 5 pi by 2. That means if you are noticing this, pi by 2 is coming, along with that odd numbers are coming. So in this case, solution will be x is equal to 2n plus 1 times pi by 2, where n belongs to integers. In case tan of x will be equal to 0, then again x will be equal to n pi. Do you remember the graph of tan? It is nothing but, this is one of the issue. Here it is dotted line are there. This is nothing but the 0. Over here it is not pi by 2. This is one more dotted line. So second place 0 will be coming over here, it is as pi. So it will be same as that of sine. Now if you consider these are the standard remark, then this can be used while solving the questions. I am going to explain few questions based on this. Let us look at the one of the question. See, if it is asked in the question with 0 is on the right side, sine of 3x will be equal to 0. In class 10 it will be only 0, but now this is 3x will be equal to, what is the rule? N pi. Can you see here it is n pi. Therefore the x value is nothing but n pi by 3, where n belongs to integer. And if you want to calculate, then you can just replace the values of x. If suppose it is 0, then it will be 0. If it is 1, then it will be pi by 3. If it is 2, then it will be 2 pi by 3. So you will be getting so many answers. If you are taking minus 1, then it will be minus pi by 3. So there are infinite answer. Now for this type of question. Okay. Let me ask one more question. Let us consider cos of x by 2 will be equal to 0. Now x by 2 will be equal to, look at the cos formula. Whatever this expression is there, no, it is compared with the 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So over here it will be 2n plus 1 times pi by 2. You have to simplify and get the answer for this. This 2 will get cancelled. The value of x is nothing but 2n plus 1 times pi, where n is nothing but integer. Can you list out few values, not all? This is called as general solution. We will talk about this only. If it is 0, then it will be pi. If n is 0, if it is n 1, so it will be 3 pi. If it is 2, it will be 5 pi. If it is likewise, you will be getting infinite answer. If it is minus 1, then it will be minus pi, and so on, minus pi and so on. So this is a way of solving the trigonometric equation, not as per as class 10th rule, but if this is applicable only when I'm just going back whenever 0 is there, tan also same rule. I think there is no issue as such. Now I'm going to talk about this type of question, how to answer the question. If sine of x will be equal to sine of alpha is any value, then the answer for such question is n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n alpha. This is nothing but the solution. You have to use this rule and get the solution. Similarly, if cos of x is equal to cos of alpha, then the value of x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. If tan of x will be equal to tan of alpha, then the x is equal to, I should say, n pi plus alpha. In all, n is nothing but integer. So this set of remark you can use while solving the problem of the type which I have asked you earlier. Your answer was only pi by 4. So I am putting the same question again. Tan of x is equal to 1. So I should keep a tan of x. I want to apply this rule. I should know the angle which is associated with this, and you know everyone, it is nothing but pi by 4. So at present, if you are connecting with this formula, the alpha value is nothing but pi by 4. So what will be the solution? X will be equal to n pi plus pi by 4. This is a general solution. You keep on changing the values of n, negative, positive, 1 and so on. You will be getting the infinite solution. At the same time, suppose someone is asking about the question sine of x 2x, sine of 2x will be equal to say 1 by root 2. Now you should know when sine becomes 1 by root 2. This is the first question where it is something apart. So sine of 2x can be written as sine of pi by 4. Is it always pi by 4 will come? No. You should know this value. Okay. Now 2x will be equal to which formula? Sine formula. Look, sine x is equal to sine alpha, x is equal to, therefore 2x will be n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n over here pi by 4. This is the value of 2x. So x will be equal to 1 by 2 n by 2 pi over here minus 1 raised to power n. It will be pi by 8 and n belongs to integer. I think latter part is not that much difficult. You can keep on changing the value of x. You will get in the respective solutions. Okay. Now we are going with the next level of question. Let us consider the question cos of 3x is equal to minus half. This is one more question. How will you answer cos of? Now you should know when it is. So it will be cos of 3x will be as it is when minus. Do you remember this? We have learned how to get this one. Cos will be negative in the second quadrant. 2 pi by 3, 120 is nothing but minus half. You should know that also. For that also you have plotted the graph and all. Now 3x will be equal to, rule for cos. Look here, x is equal to 2n pi. So it will be 2n pi plus minus alpha means 2 pi by 3. Alpha means 2 pi by 3. Okay. This is the value of x will be equal to 2n pi by 3 plus minus 2 pi by 9. 2 pi by 9. Is it clear? Where n belongs to integer. So are you, I think almost you are comfortable how to handle the sums whenever it is number is there and whenever it is 0 is there. Going ahead and just talking about whether these questions will be of this form. Sometimes you will get a question in sec and all like that also. Otherwise this question can be asked like this also. So in case the sec question is there, we have not learned any formula, but it is possible you can write cos of 2x will be equal to root 3 by 2, and later on you can apply the same approach when root 3 by 2 will be there, pi by 6. Okay, pi by 6. Is it pi by 6 or pi by 3? Pi by 6. So therefore now 2x will be equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 6, and x is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 12, where n belongs to integer. Do you remember here it is no, whenever you are taking n is equal to 0, you will be getting the two values. One is pi by 12 and another is minus pi by 12. Similarly, whenever n is equal to 1, then also you will get the two values. How? X is equal to pi plus pi by 12, over here pi minus pi by 12. So this will give you 13 pi by 12, and over here it will be 11 pi by 12 and so on and so on. This is a way of evaluating that values. See the next question. The question demands is what is the solution for this type of equation. Sin 2x plus sin x will be equal to 0. Now the question arises, how will you answer this question? Because their angles are different. But you have learned half angle formula. So it can be written as 2 sin x cos x plus over here it can be written as sin x will be equal to 0. Then you can take out sin x common. What left in the bracket? 2 cos x plus 1 will be equal to 0. Now you have two equations. One is sin of x will be equal to 0 and over here cos of x is equal to minus half. Are you getting how it is connected like this? Now sin x is equal to 0, so x will be equal to n pi, n belongs to integer will be the solution. Over here x is equal to, better way I should write one more step. When it will be minus half, recently we have solved one question, cos of, correct, 2 pi by 3. So here x will be equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. So if you wish to write the solution, then can be written as x is equal to n pi or x is equal to 2n pi and not or, both and where n belongs to integer, Sometimes the question can be framed like this also, sin x plus sin of 3x plus sin of 5x will be equal to 0. You have learned, I think you have to factorize this. Factorize means sum to product rule to be used. Now taking up the combination. If you add these two, no, 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 sin 2x you will get. If you add these two, you will get 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 2 is 2x. No. Which combination is better to add? This is the better. Do you know why? Our task is to get a factorization. Sin 3x. And over here, I am writing sin 5x. Over here, it is sin x will be equal to 0. Now, sin of 3x will be as it is. You know what is sin c plus sin d. This sum will give you 2 sin 3x into over here cos of 2x. Do you agree for this? Check. This addition is 6 by 2. This subtraction is 4 by 2. So now you can take out sin 3x common. You will be getting 1 plus 2 cos 2x will be equal to 0. I think you know previous sum you have solved, it will be sin 3x will be equal to 0. Will give you 3x is equal to n pi, simple rule. Therefore x is equal to n pi by 3. N belongs to integer, whereas this bracket will give you cos of 2x will be equal to minus half. We have seen in the previous question also, it will always you are getting this number, you may get any number over here. It will be cos of 2 pi by 3. Over here it will be 2x will be equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. If you simplify further, you will get n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n belongs to integer. So this is a way of getting the solution. So here either this will be correct or this will be correct. So there are so many solutions. These are also solution. Okay. So this is a way of answering this question. We'll go for one more simple and something different type of question. Let us look at this question. 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x will be equal to 0. We wish to solve this question. Now the issue is how will you answer this question? It's very simple. We'll convert this equation in a quadratic form. How? 1 minus sin square x plus 3 sin x will be equal to 0. So if you open, you will get like this. 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x will be equal to 0. Change the sign and can be written as like this also. Do you agree? Now this becomes the equation in terms of sign. Suppose you are replacing sin of x is equal to t. It will be 2t square minus 3t minus 2 will be equal to 0. You know how to simplify this quadratic equation. You will be getting the two factors. Let's find out. They get the value of t. Or I think you are getting like this. T is equal to 2 and t. What is t? Nothing but sin of x will be equal to 2 and sin of x will be equal to minus half. But sin x never equal to 2. So we'll go ahead with this one. Now you should know when sin will be equal to, correct, sin of minus pi by 6. Now which rule is sin x is equal to sin alpha? X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n. Over here it is pi by 6. Now there is no value over in this case, so I should, if you want me calculate this value, put n is equal to 0, x will be equal to, here it will be 0, it will be minus pi by 6 is one of the answer. Now if x is equal to 1, sorry, n is equal to 1, here it is pi, here it is 1 means minus 1 only, are you getting? And over here it is minus pi by 6. If you simplify, this is plus 7 pi by 6, and when n is equal to 2, you are getting again it will be 2 pi, it will be equal to 2 pi. Here now plus, and here it will be minus 1 the whole square, and this is minus pi by 6, so you can get 2 pi minus pi by 6, it will be 11 pi by 6, and so on, 11 pi by 6. So this way you can keep on getting the solutions. Okay, one last question we'll talk about, this one with a little higher level of question. It will be nothing but root 3 cos x plus sin x will be equal to root 2. Now if you think about this question, this way of arrangement is not possible. You cannot convert everything in the sin and cos. So remember, this is nothing but the pattern. A cos x plus b sin x will be equal to c. If you notice somewhere like this, always divide by root under a square plus b square. Afterward the question will convert in. What is a here? It is root 3. Root 3 the whole square. Root 3 the whole square plus 1 the whole square, and it's a square root. If you simplify, you will get 2. So it will be root 3 by 2 cos x plus 1 by 2 over here sin x will be equal to, if you divide like this, 1 by root 2. Now once you are doing this step, no, this is one of the known angle. This is also one of the known angle. What is this? Sine of something. What is sine of something? Sine of pi by 6 or 3 pi by 3. Over here cos x. This is nothing but cos of pi by 3. Over here it will be sin x will be equal to 1 by 2. Now you know this is sin a cos b plus cos a. It will be sin of a plus b will be equal to 1 by root 2. Do you agree? You are getting something like this. Okay. Now sin, whenever you have arranged this one, this is known to you. It is coming in the some pattern which is pi by 4 is known to you, which is equal to pi by 4. Now I have to apply that sin x is equal to sin of alpha rule. So x means, now here it is pi by 3 plus x will be equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n and alpha value over here. So the value of x is equal to this pi by 3 can be shifted on the right side. It will be pi by 3 minus 1 raised to power n, and if you get simplified, it will be 3n pi minus y. It will be 2 pi. Is it okay? No, it will be 3n pi minus pi by 3. Let it be like that also. N addition will not possible. If you keep on changing the values of n, you will be getting the solution. And if it is somewhere, sometimes now it is asked for the particular solution. Particular solution means what? The solution are the angles which is lies between 0 to. Just keep this point in the mind, and with this we are just concluding that part is how to solve the trigonometric equation. Thank you.